piers with their numbers on them or whatever. All right, there's pier number 1. Pier number 2. All right, you're good. Pier number 3. Notice how thick the pad is. Foundation. Number 4. Number 5. Pier number 6. Pier called Bernard. Yeah, so I was asking them before that it doesn't matter that this guy is like twisted a little bit or whatever, like a little crooked. That's not going to matter. It is what it is thing.
Thought about it at first, but it ain't been no chipping.
Okay.
Should be pretty decent.
All right, so that's number 7. That's pier number 8. Pier number 9. Notice the additional bracing they put in. Big old fat chunk of.
Angle around.
This is pier number 10. I said 10, motherfucking 10. That's 10. Pier number 11. And last but not least, woo, this one's a little sketchy. And that is a big hole. That would be pier number 12. And then, to cap all that off, we have, it's not this water line, but there is a water line that is broken somewhere up under here that the Foundation Phenom decided to relocate for us. Yeah, maybe what we can do is we'll just go ahead and fish that through the hole. Might be a little easier to do that from the...
Did he backfill already a little bit?
Outside.
I'm going to have to backfill a little bit more for our fish this through. Because I don't want him to actually snap it where we need it.
Cool.
And, yeah, go ahead and get that fixed up last.
Bunch of school of fucking hard knocks here, guys. Everything. He needs help with everything. Don't let him deny it. I'm just going to shut up and leave you guys alone.